rewind how we started from the back and we ended to the front. Now we got it, and everything reciprocal. I was broke, I was ridiculed. Now I'm straight living, good times for new beginnings. Popping bottles with cuter women. Said a deuce, shorty fiending for some deuce. She just trying to ride this new wave. She just.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D with GSG Reviews. I want to shout out all my alpha generals, generalettes, alpha males, and alpha females in the building. You heard. Now, what I got here for y'all today is another cross pendant by GLD. You heard? You know what I mean? Hopefully you like it. If you like anything that I present from GLD, you know what I mean? Click my affiliate link down below and support the boy the way you should. You know what I mean? Comment, like, subscribe. And so let's get right to it. Like I said, what I got here for y'all today is another cross pendant. Now, I don't know if y'all get tired of these cross pendants, but like I told you, cross pendants are my personal favorite pendants. You heard. So let's get right to it. Oh, sorry about that for the slappiness. Don't knock your boy. Now, this cross pendant also came with another pendant, a micro angel pendant. But I'm not going to present that just yet, so stay tuned for that review real soon. You heard. Now, as y'all know, my unboxings don't be from the original packaging, mailing packaging. I don't think y'all care about that. But this is the box it came in. You know what I mean? Magnet style flap. You feel me? With that GLD insignia. You know what I mean? You already know. You know the name, you know the game, you know the chain, you know the jewelry, you know the logo. You feel me? You heard. So what came in it is this, you know what I mean? Nothing I haven't seen before, but we could go through it. Zipper, got their pickaxe insignia, you feel me? Got their nice logo on the new style logo with that GLD insignia, speaking louder and getting more gold as the day goes by. So let's see how this looks. Comes in a plastic like this. Oh, and one thing I noticed off top is this might be one of their new, it's not a new style pendant, but they didn't have these on the ones in the past. It was all solid white gold. You know what I'm saying? They didn't have this back there. So they're getting a little more fancy with the GLD logo. You feel me? This is the piece right here. Look at that. Through the plastic, it's beautiful. Now, y'all know how I feel about plastic. So, I got to get right back to y'all because y'all know what I feel about plastic. You heard. Okay, so we back. You heard. Now, y'all already know how I feel about that plastic. But, you know, we can't be too mad at the plastic. Only me, because we know that the plastic is essentially for the protection of the piece itself. Look at that thing. Beautiful. 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 I'm going to give y'all a minute to look at it. Now, we already know the questions that's about to arise. Hey, yo, Stevie D, that thing is shining like crazy. How much is that thing right there? This right here is called the White Gold Gemstone Cross Large, because they also have a micro version that I showed y'all before, except I have it in yellow gold. If y'all want to see that, the review to that video, go through my video list. I'll drop the link to that video in the description. But this is the large white gold version. This right here in basic iteration standard form goes for $69. Yeah, you heard. This big beauty jumbo beast right here goes for $69. You heard. I'll give y'all another minute to look at it. Admire it. You know what I mean? $69. You can't beat that. Now, we already know. You already know the haters gonna come at me crazy because that's what they love to do. Hey, yo, Stevie D, those diamonds ain't real, G's. What the heck is you promoting them for? Well, for y'all diamond connoisseurs and intellectualists or whatever y'all want to be freaking called, you know what I mean? If y'all got that bag, I ain't mad at you. Go ahead and spend it. But if you want it in solid white gold with SI diamonds, that's going to cost you a whopping 49 G's. 49 and change, so it's really 50 G's because it's like 49.99999. So if you got that 50 G's, I ain't mad at you. I ain't hating on you, my G. You know what I mean? Spend that bag if you got it. But, you know, like me and a lot of other people in the world, we ain't got that bag. But I like this piece nevertheless. You heard. Let's check it out. Even got stones across the bell. You know what I mean? Got stones across the bell. Stones, this thing is shining and glistening, boy. And like I said, on the older ones that's just like this, it was just more solid in the background. I remember seeing other reviews, but they got a little fancy with the background and the logo. You heard. This thing is crazy, man. This might become my #1 favorite when I learn what chain to rock with it. You heard. You know what I mean? So 49 G's, basically 50 G's if you got that bag, and $69 for those who don't got that bag but or got a different kind of bag. You heard. You know what I mean? This thing is glistening, boy. This thing is crazy. And with this big bell on here, it says on the site you can fit up to a 10mm chain with it. So I don't know if I'm going to use 10mm or something smaller. I don't know. I'm going to figure it out. But this thing is crazy, G's. You know what I mean? If you like this piece and any other piece I present before you from GLD, you heard. Click my link down in the description, you know what I mean, to support me and my channel. Promote if you can. Comment, like, subscribe. Promote me and my channel. I'll let y'all get another second to look at this beauty. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? 1, 2, 3, I'm out.